Let's unpack a paper titled The Anatomy at a Large-Scale Hypertextual Web Search Engine. What's the core idea here?
This paper, published back in 1998, introduces Google, a prototype of a large-scale search engine. The really cool thing is how it leverages the structure of hypertext, the links between web pages, to produce better search results than what was available at the time.
1998. That's quite a while ago in internet years. I'm curious, how did Google tackle the challenges of indexing and searching the web back then?
That's a great question. The web was already growing rapidly in 1998, and search engines had to deal with tens of millions of pages and queries. Google's innovation was using this thing called PageRank, a way to rank pages based on their link structure. Basically, a page is considered more important if other important pages link to it. It's like a popularity contest for web pages.
PageRank, that's clever. And how did Google actually use this PageRank to improve search results?
It used PageRank to prioritize search results. So instead of just matching keywords, Google would also consider the PageRank of the pages containing those keywords. This helped to push more relevant and higher quality pages to the top of the search results.
I see. Did Google have any other tricks up its sleeve to enhance search quality?
Absolutely. They also made clever use of anchor text, the text you click on in a link. They realized that this text often provides a more accurate description of a page than the page itself. By associating anchor text with the pages it pointed to, Google could improve the relevance of its search results even further.
So PageRank and anchor text were the secret sauce?
Pretty much. They were the main ingredients, but Google also had a few other tricks. They used location information for hits, considered font size when weighting words, and even kept the full HTML of pages in a repository.
Wow, that's quite comprehensive for a prototype from 1998. How did Google manage to handle such a massive amount of data?
Scalability was a major design goal for Google. They developed fast-crawling technology to gather web documents, efficient storage systems to store indices and documents, and data structures optimized for fast access. All of this was designed to handle the rapidly growing web.
That's impressive. But I'm sure there were still challenges, right?
Definitely. The paper mentions that crawling the web was particularly tricky. They had to deal with unreliable web servers, manage hundreds of connections, and even navigate social issues like dealing with people who didn't want their pages indexed. It was quite the adventure.
It sounds like building a search engine back then was like the Wild West of the internet.
You could say that. But despite the challenges, Google managed to achieve some impressive results. Their system could crawl over 100 pages per second, and they were aiming to index 100 million pages within a month. That was quite a feat in 1998.
It really puts things into perspective, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Considering how much the web has grown since then. It's amazing to think that Google was already laying the groundwork for today's search engines.
Absolutely. This paper gives us a fascinating glimpse into the early days of search engine technology, and it's clear that Google was already thinking big and pushing the boundaries of what was possible.
And that's all for now. Thanks for this insightful discussion.